party's over, and now it's time to go to the Pocono. Headed to the Poconos. You guys care if you're in my vlog? Do you care if you're in my vlog? Do I have their consent? I got their consent. Huh? I am, because my camera's downloading. We out here. We made it to the Poconos. We made it. We made it. Hey, Gabriel. Why are you awake? It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Because I'm on vacation. Go bring the cat. Bring it to him. Look, look at the cat. Is he scared? He's never seen one before. Well, he's never been that close to one. I don't even think he realized. You even come here, put it down. Put him down so he can see it. Look, look, look. No, he doesn't even realize that there's a cat here. Yeah, he doesn't even know. Look, look. You like the cat? About 3 hours, no, like 4 hours actually. And then now I'm going to work out, but I don't have my car, so I can't drive to the gym, and we came in a big van and I can't drive that, so I'm just gonna run outside for a little bit and get my day started. Hopefully I don't get eaten by a bear. There's not much he can eat anyway. We'll see. God bless you, Sahar and Khalid.
All that.
Getting my face together because I want to look a little alive, just a little bit. Get my day started. You hear the lullabies in the background? That's because my son is napping and I have the camera right here. So he'll nap for a good 2 hours. And that gives Mama some time to get ready. What is this? Oh no. Hello, Georgie. Do you want to? No, I forgot. Do you want your boat back? Bless you, Nico.
Salaika salam.
I'm not gonna show you because she didn't sleep last night, but Diva is mopping. I want $100 bills, that's why she's mopping. Guys, this is a parent 101 video of what not to do when your kid gets hurt. Yo, look at that tiny ass little cut.
No, I think there's a splinter in there.
What not to do. What not to do.
Yes? So what's happening?
We found the culprit.
Dad found the culprit.
Multiple hours of investigation and many man hours. We found it.
Guys, I'm not gonna show you Diva because she was very tired last night. She's making us kebab. Say again.
How about the future?
Hello to the future.
Don't get hurt.
You're so handsome.
You're so pretty.
Huh?
You're so pretty.
Oh, you're so sweet. I love you.
I love you
Have a
too.
kiss. Thank you. You guys, I caught Diva working again. Mashallah, mashallah. Okay. Hello. What you been? Thank you. Thank you. It could be a person. It could be an occupation. It could be an animal. It could be anything. Are you fresh and clean? Let me see. Hi. Good morning. Walking over to the guest house to eat. Good morning! Good morning! Hi. I'm gonna put you on YouTube. You're gonna be famous. Say hi to your subscribers. I have one egg left for me. Why are you smiling? Khaled, the wind is blowing. we got ready, going to the grocery store to pick up some stuff because everybody wants me to make my famous pasta. So I'm gonna make some pasta. And Gabriel is trying to nap. So we'll see how it goes.
You sure?
This is a Lego core.
Okay, let's roll.
This
That's
is
the
a
one.
Lego core.
Yeah, that's the one he wants. Come on, let's go.
That's a wrap. Headed home. Great weekend, good food, great company, and now we're headed home. Say bye.
Bye.
You look like a little lion. So we made it home about 30 minutes ago. We got stuck in a lot of traffic, so we got home 30 minutes later than we should have. We had a great weekend. I am already unpacked. I put all the kids' stuff away, I put my stuff away, I threw all the laundry in the hamper so I can wash them tomorrow. And now we're getting ready for our homeschool day tomorrow. So I'm just gonna finish cleaning up some stuff. I cleaned the house before I left. I like to come home to a clean house. I put Gabriel to bed. Sophia is having a snack and then she's gonna go to bed. Speaking of Sophia, here she comes. And then I'm gonna go to bed too. So, great time, great trip, great people, great food, lots of fun, and looking forward to many more. See you guys on the next one. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.